Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to go over the Weeekly, the second mini album called Weekend. Finally came to my house. It looks very impressive compared to the first one. Again, same as previous one, they have a spiral lookbook by looking at it, and this time they make a little bit upgrade. Is each book is holographic, like some like here is shiny purple red color, and here's some red and orange. Here we go. So it looks a upgrade. In the back it's the same as normal paper cutter, no shiny. And then let's unwrap this, and it also came with a poster. So let's get started. Let's go over the orange one first because I like purple. I'll save the good one for last. And according to thing, you might get a random special card sign, I believe. I don't remember now. So, oh, this is where they put the card, similar to last time. Let's go over the card first. And then the back. Second one. It says Weeekly. It's nothing special, it's just a word inside here. Now we flip through the page. Same paper quality as last time, very thick paper. Oh, at least this time they don't dress up as schoolgirl. They have the unique, different uniform for each member. More like a happy party, no, happy party team, not really. But something like happy theme, I would say. Now you can put notes on it this time instead of calendar, like the previous album, and it also show you a page number. So it's more like a playground ball happy theme, huh? But somehow when they have the music video on the stage, they still wearing the like school uniform to dance. So I think this is more like the strategy to attract the attached people to like buy their music. Marketing. Yeah, definitely looks good. Looks like so refreshing, young looking. Everyone is so happy, nothing to like, yeah, they're so enjoying. Oh, so this time they don't have much calendar. It's like each page is more like a picture, huh? No notes like you can write on like previous time. Oh, there you go, some weekly like message. Joy camera. Yeah. Interesting. It's like a test message. It's very creative. So, and also give you a line how to start it. It's the lyrics this way, give you an arrow starting like this, and the same one. Huh, very special. I never seen it like each lyrics like different template setup. Wow, very creative. Track 5 and everyone. Yep, and that's it. Oh, they also give you a sticker like last time, huh? Oh, but this time they attach to the spiral lookbook, the sticker. Oh, this CD is so cool. Now this is the CD. It's shiny. It says Weekend. I wonder if the other version will be purple instead of red, but let's see, you know? Okay, that's it for here. The orange. Let's go with the purple. I'll put this on the side. So this is the purple version. And this is the card I got. Here we go, in the back. Okay. Oh, I like her eyes closing one eye. So eggy. Oh, even her picture has an eye closed with a tongue sticking out, a little message which I cannot read what they say. So this is a message card again, but I'm not gonna open it because nothing really special. I don't understand anyway. Yeah, same message here. Can we do it? We can do it. So this is the second mini album. Let's see what different about it. Compare the orange one. Same paper. Oh, there we go. So this purple version is more like a school style, and then the orange one is more like a party style. Interesting. Now that makes sense now, everything. So this is what I see on YouTube when they perform for their new songs. So this is like more like a little bit serious version, a little bit serious, but not like still happy. But I feel like the orange one is more happier. Yeah, this is more like a schoolgirl, being eggy, stuff like that. Yeah, same paper quality. Oh, this is like a Weeekly pen there. So, oh, she wrote something for Thursday, but I don't know what that is. I wish they have an English written down translation as well. That would be so awesome. Gina Weeekly pen on Saturday, something about dance. That's it. Damn, I wish there's a translations. Paint with the string. Oh, so it looks like each member has their own weekly pen. This is Sunday, so each member represents like a day of the week. And this is Wednesday. So cool, huh? Monday, weekly pen. They need to have some English translations. Seriously. And then Tuesday, I think it covered Effie's member. Friday. Everyone holding crystal ball. So again, the lyrics, same design as the other booklet. From here, nothing different. I'm interested to know if the CD will be slightly different color due to different version. Feels like this spiral is a little bit tight compared to the orange one. I have a hard time like flipping over. So this is the sticker for the purple version. Oh, I was right. There you go. So the CD is different too. It's a purple color theme, shiny, holographic. Weekend. Oh, I like the CD a lot. Yeah. And that's it for these two albums. Unboxing it, and let's check out their poster. So this is the orange version, and the next poster I got, yeah, that's it for this two album. Wondering the third version, would that still have a spiral lookbook setup or something different? I'm looking forward to their third mini album. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.